So next is the Dalton atomic theory. According to Dalton atomic theory, all the matter, whether element, compound or a mixture, is composed of the very small particle known as atoms. That is, all element, whether a compound or a mixture, all consist of a very small particle known as atom. He gave the 6 postulates. The first postulate state that all the matter is made up of a very tiny particle known as atom. Atoms are the indivisible particle which cannot be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Atom of a given element are identical in mass and chemical properties. Atom of the different element have different mass and chemical properties. Now it means all the matter which is made up of very tiny particle are known as atoms. So first postulate state that all the matter made up of the very small particles known as atoms. Second postulate states that atom are indivisible, that is the law of conservation of mass, which state that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. So Dalton postulates govern these two basic laws of chemical combination, that is the law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion. Second postulate that the atom are indivisible is the law of conservation of mass, and fifth postulate that elements always combine in a ratio of the small whole number ratio to form the compound is the law of constant proportion. Now elements of the same element are identical and elements of different element are the different, and the relative number and the kind of atom are constant in a given compound. It means there is always fixed number of the elements which combine to form a particular compound. For example, in the case of the water that we have discussed, always hydrogen and oxygen will combine to form the water. Now next is, what is an atom? Have you ever observed a mason building a walls from these walls a room and then a collection of room to form a building? So what is the building block of a huge building? If we want to make a huge building, what is the building block? Then the building block is the brick. And in the similar way, if we want to make the matter, then the building block of all the matter is atoms. So what are atoms? They are the building blocks of the matter. Clear?